Hey, welcome back to PaddyG DIY. It is really good to see you guys again. So this is the middle of September. It's been 6 months since COVID-19 became the phrase of the day. And first, let me say thank you for your concerns, your contacts and stuff. We're all safe and sound. So thank you, and I hope you guys are too. It's been crazy. It's been a time that I won't soon forget. And I think we are turning the page on this thing. At least that's my hope. I work in hospitals, and I haven't missed a day's work since this whole thing started. I get screened when I go into every hospital that I work in, and I may stop at 3 or 4 different hospitals in a day. I have actually been in the COVID wings of multiple hospitals, and I've seen some really sick people. It's something that I'm not going to forget. However, myself, my family, we're all well, and we're all COVID-free. My wife was tested. She had to have a procedure during all this, and she was tested, and she is COVID-free. And I don't know, I may have antibodies since I'm in hospitals all the time, but I have never been tested. And if I'm required to, I will. I've gone above and beyond to meet and exceed all the precautions that we were trained on when this first hit. We know some universal precautions anyway, as far as cleanliness and cross-contamination and this kind of thing. But our company really stepped it up to protect us, as did all the other hospitals that I work in. But you know what? I'm believing this is all behind us. And I got some good news. Over 1,000 subscribers to my channel. That's, you know what? That's big, considering I have been persona non grata for, 6 months now? And about that, I just had other things on my mind. I thought about you guys often. And no, I'm not crying. I'm sweating because I had to turn the fans off and it's hot in here. But I have had you guys on my mind, and I've said some prayers for you guys too. So I hope that you guys are all well and good. So what's this thing? Well, I have done some things here in the shop. I've been busy down here, and I've built some stuff, and it's tools basically. And I have rewired some things down here, ran a separate circuit for what I call the island here, the table saw, the shop smith, portable tools, dust collection, all that. I ran a 15 amp circuit over here for that. And I have a switch that everything is plugged into that will turn the dust collection system on. I promise I'm going to do a video, and I'm going to show you some things, some changes I made, and some additions to the shop, and some plans I have. So what's this, you ask? Why is it here? Well, this is a caddy that I made for my wife. Actually, she helped me. So this is a dual involvement project. I think I just coined a phrase. It kind of sucks, but it's original. And so, but she set this too close to the edge of the new griddle we have. And it was all scorched up and blistered and charred, and I fixed it. So put it on the sander. It's one of the projects I did. And we were wanting to add a rope handle. So we got this decorative rope, and I'm going to make 2 or 3 passes over this thing. And so that's what that's doing on the table. thank you guys so much for the over 1,000 subscribers. I think this means I can monetize now. I don't know what I'll do with that 50 cents a month. But anyway, yeah, you know what, I'm grateful. But I don't know. I haven't even looked at that, so monetizing has not been a dream of mine. I have no dream of doing videos for a vacation. I like doing this. I like hanging out. I like teaching. I like showing some things that I've learned over the years. Yeah, okay, so I'm pushing 60. I know, I look young for my age, but I enjoy doing this. I'm not in it for the money, as you can tell. If I was in this for the money, I would have a quiet air conditioner system down here. Instead of standing here and my shirt starting to bleed while I'm talking. So if you want to hang out, I'm going to wrap this thing up and see if we can't get some clear coat on it to hold this thing in place. Or I might have some contact cement, spray contact cement. I can try that too. I'm going to turn this other camera on. If you want to hang out, check it out. Glad you're here. Hey, don't forget to post your comments below. Thank you again. And yeah, catch you in a few. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for over 1,000 subs. That's awesome. Thank you. And we'll see you next time.